Hello everyone, welcome to Tarun Tutorials. The topic which we are going to discuss today is DC power supply. DC power supply. All the electronic circuits need a DC voltage for their operation. The DC supply voltage is derived from a single phase AC mains circuit. For this purpose, we have to use a regulated DC power supply. The block diagram of a regulated DC power supply is shown below. Operation. The basic building blocks of a regulated DC power supply are: first, a step-down transformer; second, a rectifier; third, filter; and fourth, voltage regulator. A step-down transformer is used to reduce the AC mains voltage to an adequately small value. The turns ratio of a transformer is adjusted to obtain a step-down AC voltage. This voltage is converted into a pulsating DC voltage by a rectifier. The type of rectifiers used are half-wave rectifier, full-wave rectifier, or bridge rectifier. The pulsating DC voltage at the rectifier output is converted into a ripple-free steady DC voltage by the filter circuit. The filtered output voltage is very close to the pure DC voltage. The ripple or AC part in the voltage is minimized by the filter. The filtered DC voltage is then applied to a voltage regulator which tries to keep the DC output voltage constant, even if the supply voltage or load fluctuation takes place. Polarities of transformer voltages. To understand the operation of a rectifier circuit, we must know the polarities of voltages associated with the transformer. Single phase AC supply voltage. The primary of a transformer is connected to the single phase AC supply available from MACB. This supply voltage has two terminals, namely live and neutral, and the voltage at the live terminal with respect to the neutral is sinusoidal as shown in the figure. The positive half cycle extends from omega t equal to 0 to pi radians. In this half cycle, live is positive with respect to neutral and the secondary voltage VAB is positive. The negative half cycle extends from omega t is equal to pi to 2 pi radians. L is negative with respect to N and the secondary voltage VAB is negative as shown in the figure. Rectifier circuits. Rectification. Rectification is the process of converting the alternating voltage or current into the corresponding direct quantity, direct voltage or current. The input to a rectifier is an alternating voltage where its output is unidirectional or DC voltage. The electronic circuit which carries out rectification is called as a rectifier. Rectifier is an electronic device which is used for converting an alternating voltage or current into a unidirectional voltage or current. The classification of rectifier configurations is as shown. There are two types of rectifier circuits. First, half-wave rectifier. Second, full-wave rectifier. Further on, there are two types of full-wave rectifier. First, full-wave rectifier with center tap transformer and second, full-wave bridge rectifier. Thank you for watching my video. If you found my content interesting, do like, comment, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.